Hey y'all, just came back from the dentist. I got a filling, so this side of my face ain't moving as much as this one. Yeah. But we went and got new computer for school. I got some new clothes and some new makeup. I'll give y'all a haul. I got a new computer. I also went to Ulta and Chili's, but here she is. I got some acne patches, this cleansing balm, eyeliner because it's my favorite. It's the Shape Tape Creamy. Then I got the Fenty skin tint. What is it called? Is it the Ease Drops? What I got from Chili's. A new pair of sunglasses. Slay. These black parachute pants. I just bought so much stuff in less than half an hour. Because I bought stuff that I need for like today, and then also stuff I need for like the week for like rehearsals, and then stuff I need for my dad's surprise birthday party cake that I'm making him, and that is this coming Saturday. So we have a jam-packed week and a lot of groceries, so see you when I do something interesting. Y'all want to know what I just found out and why I'm crying? Well, I was informed that the show I've been working on for all summer and I was about to start rehearsals for tomorrow just got postponed till mid-September, which means I can't be in the show. I love life right now. So, what I thought was going to be a very interesting week probably won't be. Hey y'all, I'm off for a run across that makeshift bridge to get where I am. Do I know where I am? No. I'll find my way back home. We're fine. Once again, running late to voice, fit check, thrifted. I'm wearing this shirt under this from Forever 21. Shorts, Hollister, shoes, Birks. So I told Carlos about our interesting experience with Sweeney Todd. He shared my disappointment. We worked on some songs that I've never done before, which I loved. Y'all, guess what I just got? What came in the mail? Guys, we're literally stargazing right now.
Our stars, for sure, it's not cloudy, but you just can't see them.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah. Dance. Oh, where are you going? If you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody. Evening, y'all. Let's give you an update. I just watched the new episode of Summer Turned Pretty. Belly and I are twinning, but Belly and I are not twinning in the choice of Fisher Man because Jeremiah is the wrong choice. And if you think Jeremiah is the right choice, let me stop you right there. We're never gonna agree. Hey y'all, today is the day. It's the surprise party day. I'm at this cake store. I'll go in to get some supplies that I need to finish the cake. Let's go. I need to get a cake board. Cute. There's a dog shelter right next door, so yeah. So I got raspberry filling, chocolate to put into the chocolate frosting, a bunch of powdered sugar, blue food coloring, some fondant, edible markers, cake boards. I think that's it. I'm so ready to decorate. We're going. Here's the cakes. I finished the cake. It took forever. It's beautiful. My dad loves Ted Lasso, so believe it took me forever. Happy birthday! Hello!
Thank you, everyone.
She missed the surprise.
I didn't. I was working.
Yeah.
You could have not.
Yeah, you could have been here. Mm-hmm. Everybody knows.
Will and I get entire night video essays. Okay, sorry that I want to make money.
What?
Are you happy?
I'm so happy.
He's happy.
What is it? It's a blanket? Did you knit it? Crochet it? What
Yeah.
did you knit it? What, knit or crochet?
It's like a finger knitting.
Oh, cool.
And it isn't heavy.
How did you finger knit it so tightly? What are we doing? We're at a race. Hannah's posted up.
Line up by the ice in the water. Second wave, I think it's like 65. Should be lining up now.